Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about dogelonmars price prediction and dogelonmars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for dogelonmars in 2022. Dogelonmars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelonmars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, Dogelonmars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised to do due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about dogelonmars. Dogelonmars has had its spark, but due positions in Elon still have a bite. Dogelonmars is one of the many dog-themed meme coins in the market today. It has seen a lot of interest lately, with November memorably recording a spectacular surge in popularity and value. Since then, however, Elon's price has been in decline. At the time of writing, the altcoin had a market capitalization of just $474.2 million. Can bulls exert any influence on the price in the short term? Bitcoin's explosive rally past $40K sparked bullish momentum on shorter timeframes for many years as a personal relationship, since Musk helped me when I was homeless, and when he found out what I was going through, he encouraged me. Kreiter tweeted on Sunday asking, is SpaceX merchandise store and Starlink, a satellite internet constellation operated by SpaceX, can accept Dogecoin? In an almost instant response, Elon Musk replied with a winking face emoji, throwing the tweets into a frenzy. Following Musk's suggestive reply, various Twitter users including from this thread, it is generally better to own physical things like a home, or stock in companies you think make good products than dollars when inflation is high. I still own, and won't sell my Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Doge, declared Musk. As expected, Musk's tweet triggered a sudden pump in the price of Dogecoin, Doge, pushing the meme coin from around $0.111 at 410 UTC to as high as $0.122 by 417 UTC. However, the digital asset has since lost steam, trading around $0.1156 at the time of writing this report, with Bitcoin and Ether hovering around the $39,234 and $2,604 price regions respectively. It's worth noting that Musk has a strong affinity for Dogecoin, and the 50-year-old multi-billionaire never misses a chance to hype his favorite altcoin. Last May, Crypto News reported that SpaceX, Elon Musk's rocket manufacturing firm, had accepted Dogecoin, Doge, as payment from Canada's Geometric Energy Corporation, GEC, to launch the Doge-1 satellite to the moon before the end of Q1 2022. SpaceX launching satellite Doge-1 to the moon next year. Mission paid for in Doge. First crypto in space. First meme in space. To the moon, tweeted Musk at the time. And second news, Elon Musk says he's not selling Bitcoin amid high inflation. Elon Musk tweeted, I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin, in response to CEO Mitchell Saylor, discussing the collapse of weaker currency. Elon Musk, Techno-King of Tesla, says I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin as a signal for the holding of assets in times of high inflation. Mitchell Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, states that weaker currencies will collapse, in reference to high levels of inflation. Musk also said it is generally better to own physical things like a home, or stock in companies you think make good products, than dollars when inflation is high. In a recent tweet, Elon, according to a filing, as Twitter enthusiasts wait attentively for any incoming changes to the platform, Dogecoin holders are undoubtedly enjoying the news this week. The week-long rally has been even more impressive. On March 30th, Doge was trading at 14 cents, which, from trough to peak, marks roughly a 21% increase. Despite the bullish surge, Doge is still down from its all-time high of 73 cents in May 2021. At that time, the cryptocurrency joined a handful of other meme stocks like GameStop, GME, and AMC Theaters, AMC, in one of the more bizarre bull-run stories in financial history. The most likely reason behind Dogecoin's latest rise is the project's close ties with Elon Musk, and his strong influence over the price of Doge, an influence which he often exercises on Twitter. On Monday, Musk purchased a 9.2% stake in the social media firm, according to an SEC filing. The filing indicated that the Telsa chief had purchased 73,486,938 TWTR shares at $39.31, totaling more than $2.8 billion. In a single shot, the coin managed to recover all the losses witnessed throughout 2022. As a matter of fact, within 24 hours, over 120k Doge holders who had been noting losses since December 2021 finally noticed profit. Also to be noted that, while Doge was still falling around the end of January, about 30% of the total supply, 32 billion Doge, changed its age from being held for a short term to more than 3 months. At the moment, that same supply hasn't been moved much. In fact, it is approaching the 6-month mark. The short rally on 5 April certainly re-established investors' faith in the altcoin. Dogecoin jumped 7% as Elon Musk joins Twitter board. So this is good news, tweeted Dogecoin co-founder. Dogelonmars is currently worth $0.00000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is Dogelonmars, Elon, a good investment? How much will Dogelonmars cost in 2025, or how much will Dogelonmars cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, Dogelonmars, Elon, appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.00000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the Dogelonmars market price could increase to $0.00000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of Dogelonmars will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.00000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.00000132, with an expected price of $0.00000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. Elon is discovered by potential. As signs and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in Dogelonmars, the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.00000221. Elon is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.00000192, a low price of $0.00000186, and an expected price of $0.00000221. Course forecast 2025. Elon will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the Dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Dogelonmars price will be almost $0.00000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.00000326. Dogelonmars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.00000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Dogelonmars course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumer